Day one launching on the main Salmon River. Stayed at Corn Creek last night. And we are on our way. Now 4:40 p.m. We're at the Blackadar campsite. We got in about 12:30. We paddled 17 miles today down in the middle of a canyon in a grove of ponderosas. Came back upstream. 17 river miles. Our big rapids were the set of Devil's Teeth Rapids and Alder Creek. Those were the big ones I remember. So right now the river's we think it's around 9,000 CFS and dropping. That will come up after we pass the junction with the South Fork of the Salmon River. So going pretty well. I stayed dry. I did not flip at all today. Definitely bigger water than the Arkansas, but my boat is doing well. And my boat continues to amaze me by what it can do. The plan tomorrow is probably a 35-mile day followed by a 20-mile day and another 20-mile day. Morning of day 2. Camped at Blackadar campsite last night. Started raining about 2, rained till about 5, and then it's let up. Still pretty cloudy, but hopefully it's a good day. Get to dry out. So the plan for today is we're gonna camp at Haynie Bar, which is about 35 miles downstream, and maybe stop at Barth Hot Springs. Day 2 on the river. We did just short of 37 miles today from Blackadar Camp to where we are at Haynie Bar. We stopped at Barth Hot Springs about an hour into the day, and then we just had a day full of class 2s and 3s, big rapids. We had included Black Creek, Big Mallard, and Elkhorn. Those were the big rapids today. So definitely a long, arduous day for me, but this trip has given me the opportunity to get more confident on larger water and with larger wave trains. Got camp set up in this grove of ponderosa pine, drying things out. It looks like tomorrow, day 3, will be dry, but with more rain coming on Tuesday. Pushing off on day 3, we will intercept the south fork of the river today. About 20 miles today down to Lower Sheep campsite. Sun is shining, but chance of rain starting tomorrow. Finally on the river. This is the south fork, the salmon coming in. Codfins. Currently portaging around Chittim Rapid. Lean forward, lean forward. Breathe. Morning of day 4, leaving our campsite. We did about 34 miles yesterday. Found a nice beach. So today's a very short day. We have 6 miles to get to Spring Bar, our takeout. Woke up to sunshine. And then it's kind of been raining off and on. Stayed dry through most of the night, so didn't have to pack up a wet tent. Finally pulling into Spring Bar. 6 miles this morning. The end of day 4.